Hey everybody, Carl here from App, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the LG C9 OLED, so one of their newer models for 2019. Pretty excited about seeing this. If you didn't see it already, we did unbox the E9 as well, so you can check out our video on that if you want to. First thing you're going to do is cut the straps off of this one. Now this box top does lift off, so make sure you get it to a spot that you want to kind of near where you want to install it before you cut those off, because it is harder to move within the box once those straps are cut. And if you are more talented than I am, you might be able to cut through the tape all in one try on the top. As you can see, it's not as easy as it looks. And we've got a cover of some sort, probably for the inputs, I would guess. We've got a bag of accessories here. Remote controls in there, little cable management, some batteries, and we've got safe unboxing instructions, looks like. Yeah, kind of a brief example of how to unbox everything. And then on the other side is the pedestal, covered in a lot of styrofoam, but that is in here as well. And I don't know which way the bag opens. There we go. Just give you guys a slightly better look. Pedestal, nice looking, fairly heavy, kind of plastic on the top here. And now we're gonna take the TV out of the box and show you what's inside. All right, so we've got everything set up. The last thing we're going to do is peel off the adhesive from the front. And that's that. As you can see, just like the E9 that we already unboxed, this thing has an absolutely phenomenal picture. Thank you guys for watching. If there's anything you want to see specifically about this TV, make sure you leave that down in the comments so we can try and address it in our overview video. We appreciate you watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you get updated as soon as we post that new content.